I'm searching for a 3D model on my platform, and I know it has been revised several times. I need to find the latest revision, but in my search I can see all those old revisions, and I don't want to see those. How can I make sure I only see the latest revision in a search? Take a look at this. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform lets you search in different ways to find everything you want, but sometimes everything can be a little too much, especially when all you want is simply the latest revision. The platform stores each revision of a physical product as its own item. It is clearly marked here and there whether or not you're looking at the latest revision, but when searching with default settings, you can see all revisions. So it means that if the latest revision of a physical product is E, you will see revision A to D as well in the same search result. There is a setting for this that you can set in the search result window. Up here to the right you have the action menu for the search window, and under settings there's an entry where you can choose either all, latest or latest per state. In this case we will choose latest, and this will run the search again, but this time only the latest revision of each item is shown. But what if I every once in a while needs to look at an older revision? Well, that can be done as well by simply looking at the revision history of the item, which is under a tab in the information panel of the item, as you can see in the bookmark editor as an example. From here you can drag any revision into an app like SOLIDWORKS if you want to open it, or into bookmark editor if you want to put it there. The setting that lets you see only the latest revision is a personal setting that applies only for you. But if you are an admin, there is actually a setting that lets you control this globally for all users on your platform. So as an admin, you can go into the platform management dashboard, and under search you will see the search result revisions entry. Set this to latest, and all users will see only the latest revision when they search for items. Showing only the latest revision of an item might simply help you to avoid errors in deliveries or in production. So sometimes less is more. It helps to know that there are settings like these that you can apply if you want. So that's all for today. See you next time.